Recording.
What's up? What's up? Good morning, people. This is the next day. This is a follow-up video on the 50C Sena review. Now, yesterday when I went to Lonavala with the boys, you all must have seen that video. We made a quick review video, a real-world review video. How somebody would spend their day with the Sena 50C. Now, yesterday's day, the battery life was very bad. The battery died out in about 3 hours. I left my house at about 5 o'clock in the morning, and the battery was dead by the time I reached Tiger Point, which was at about 8 o'clock in the morning. I shot maybe 15 minutes worth of content, and I was on the mesh network with the boys on the 50C. Now, when I got back home yesterday, I spoke to the team at Custom Elements. These are the guys who I bought the Sena from, and they're very helpful. They said, "Hey, listen, don't worry, we'll sort this out." Sena India is off today, so can't really speak to anybody. However, I've got somebody from my technical team that recommends I do a factory reset. Now, believe it or not, the quick guide didn't have a factory reset instructions. However, something quick to learn for everybody over here who's planning to get a 50C. Unlike the old 50Ss and 30Ks, where the factory reset, you need to use a pin to poke into the rear end of things. Behind the Sena, there's a little hole. You don't do that. To factory reset a 50C, you hold the call button for 10 seconds. Once you hold the call button for 10 seconds, you'll get a factory reset notification, and then you quickly press the jog dial, which then initiates the factory reset. So yesterday, after I did the factory reset, I said, "Hey, listen, let me test out the camera and the Bluetooth just yesterday itself." So I was just at home. I put my camera on, just let it record aimlessly. I kept the mesh on, and there was close to about an hour worth of video recording, and my battery percentage didn't fall lower than 50%, which was great, which is exactly how I was assuming things would be. So this morning I'm riding to my dad's place. He lives at Lokhandwala. I live at Haji Ali. I'm riding from Haji Ali to Lokhandwala. When I left this morning, I didn't charge the Sena completely. It was at 80%. So let's see how long the battery lasts. When I reach my dad's house, I'll look at the recording. I'll look at the battery life. That'll give me a good indication on if things have improved. recorded for at least about maybe 45 minutes, and I've not got any low battery warnings or anything of that sort, which is good, which definitely makes me feel that um, whatever that issue I was having of battery dying out very quickly is kind of sorted. But let's see, we need to do some more testing on this.
Hey, afternoon guys. So you've obviously seen the first part of the video. You've seen me ride to my dad's house. I was using the 50C. After the factory reset, things are much better. I recorded the entire earlier part of this video on the 50C. Since I've come back, I've noticed that the battery life hasn't dropped. I've done a lot of video recording in the middle from morning till now. Let me show you what the battery percentage is as of now. Okay, so I'm sitting at 29%, and that's after close to about 45 minutes worth of video recording. A big part of the video was just me, riding through on the highway, listening to music. So definitely improved. Yesterday the battery life lasted only about 3 hours. Today it's lasted a full day. That's my son you're hearing at the back. But final verdict: if you want to vlog using amazing mic setup, a decent video quality within a price range of around 45,000, the 50C is the way to go. You're not gonna get a GoPro 10 or any mesh enabled Sena device for that price. It's not gonna happen. I would think that there is a little compromise for the camera quality. The camera is nothing like a GoPro, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. For the price that you pay, it's quite decent. And the mesh is excellent. If you need to communicate over Bluetooth, mesh is the only way to go. So yeah, final verdict: the 50C after the factory reset works perfectly well. At least today it did. We're obviously going to do many more rides. A lot of other testing is going to happen. A lot more YouTube videos are going to be coming in, and let's see how that goes. But until then, see you guys. See you in the next one.